welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Polly Pocket and the character I'm doing is Shani. The Shani that I'm doing is got a vintage swimming costume on with the vintage glasses and sandals. See? That's what Shani looks like. And all the characters are easy to accessorize. And the next Shani I'm going to do is this Shani with a beautiful Africa style outfit. See? With the beautiful glasses and her green boots. See, that's what Shani looks like with the Africa styled outfit. And all the characters are easy to accessorize. And then the next Shani I'm doing is this Shani with a purple top and blue pants with the beautiful glasses and purple shoes. See, that's what Shani looks like. You can move the head and the arms and the legs. See, that's what Shani looks like. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.